How to download Facebook Messenger conversations. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can download Facebook Messenger conversations. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the option of Settings and Privacy. Once you have expanded this menu, tap on the first option of Settings. Here you have different sections and options. Scroll down until you get to the section of Your Information. From here, you have the option of Download Your Information. Tap on this option. Now tap on the Continue option. Here, tap on Download or Transfer Information option. Then select your account or profile. Tap on Next. From here, tap on Specific Types of Information. Now you can find all of your Facebook activity from here. All you have to do is select the one that says Messages. If you want anything else to be downloaded, such as post, profile information, friends, followers, and more, you can select any one of them as well. Since we only want Facebook Messenger conversations, select the option of Messages. Now tap on the next option. Here, you can either download these information to your device or transfer it to another destination. Select the option of Download to Device and tap on Next. Now, you can select Date Range and then select your range from here. If you want the data of all time, tap on All Time. If you tap on this, all the messages since you opened your Facebook account will be downloaded. If you only want of last week, select the first option. Now tap on the Save option. Here, you also have the option to change format and media quality. Go ahead and select it as you want. Then tap on the Create Files option. As you can see, the information is being downloaded. It might take some time for the process to be completed depending on the size of your file. Once it has been downloaded, a zip file that includes all of your Facebook Messenger conversation is going to be downloaded on your device. All you have to do now is extract the zip file on your device, which will be a single folder. In that folder, you will receive all of your Facebook Messenger conversations. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.